Morning dear students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do a project from our chapter 5 tables and hyperlinks in HTML, and our project is to create a web page using bulleted list and images inserted. Okay, so let's start. So students, our project is to create a web page which has bulleted list with pictures and text. So for creating a web page, first of all we have to open the Notepad program in our computer. Then we have to use different HTML tags for creating the web page. So first I will explain which are the tags that we have used for creating the web page, which has bulleted list with pictures and text. Okay. So students, we have learned there are four essential HTML pair of tags we are using for creating a web page. They are HTML pair of tags, header pair of tags, title pair of tags, and body pair of tags. So the body tag contains all the information and other content which is displayed on the web page. So we are using different tags and its attributes for creating or for making our web page more beautiful. Okay. Now let's see which are the tags we have used for creating a web page which is having a bulleted list with pictures and text. So first we have to open the HTML tag, then open the header tag, then open the title tag. Here the title name is summer camp, and close the title tag, then close the header tag. Okay. Then we have to open the body tag. So here body BG color equal to green. What is BG color? Yes, background color. So the background color for your web page should be green. Okay. So body BG color equal to green. Then P align. What is P tag? For creating a paragraph. Okay. So P tag align equal to center. So the paragraph should be at the center. Now font size equal to 7. So the font size for the text should be 7. 7 means that is the largest font size. Okay. We can create font size from 1 to 7. Now font color equal to yellow. Font color means the text that you have to going to create at the center of the paragraph should be in yellow color. Then B tag represent bold. So for making your text bold, we are using this B tag. Okay, so open the B tag. Then our text is Navdeep summer classes. Okay, Navdeep summer classes. So this should be at the center of your web page. Then and its font size should be 7, and it should be displayed in yellow color, and it should be bold also. Okay, now we have to close all the tags whichever we have opened. Okay, so from last to first we have to close the tags. Like last we have used a bold tag, so you have to first close the bold tag, then font tag, then we have used, so close the font tag. Okay, paragraph tag we will not close because we are using this p tag for creating a paragraph. No need to close the p tag. Okay, so after that, next tag I have used is HR tag. So HR means horizontal rule. Horizontal rule tag. What is the use of HR tag? Yes, for inserting a horizontal line, you can use HR tag. So open the HR equal to 5. 5 is the thickness of the line. Okay. So you can insert a horizontal line of 5 width. Okay. So it is in pixels only. 5 is in the pixels. Next, again, so after the Navdeep summer camp, it should be at the center of your web page. Its font size should be 7, and it should be in yellow color, and it should be bold. After that, we have to insert a horizontal line of thickness 5 pixels. Okay. Now, after the horizontal line, again start a paragraph, align at the center. So open the p tag, align at center, close the tag, then IMG SRC. IMG means image. SRC means source. So you are going to insert a image at the center now. Okay. So IMG SRC equal to, this is the source of the image. That means location of the image. You have to enter here with the image name summercamp.jpg. Okay. Now width of the image equal to 508 and height equal to 249. So these are in pixels only. We can make in percentage also. So I have provide the location of the image, then height and width of the image. Okay. Next, alt equal to summer camp. So alt, what is the use of alt attribute? This is used to point out a text, whether if the picture is not available. Suppose this picture is not available in the given location, then you can display a text, whatever you are entering here. Here I have entered summer camp, so this text will be displayed instead of this picture. Okay, that is the use of this alt attribute. Then close the tag. So after that, again p align equal to center. Again we are going to enter a paragraph at the center. Now a paragraph is no. This is the text no. Then strike tag is opened. Strike tag is used to strike out the text. Then studies. Studies is the text. Then close the strike tag. That means no studies. Okay. And this studies will be striked out. Next, comma, only. This is the text. Then we have to display. Then I tag. I tag is used for making your text in italics. Okay. So open the I tag. Fun. Fun is the text. Then close the I tag. So and then close the font tag also. So now you can see here at the center, what is the text we have to display? No studies, comma, only fun. Okay. Here studies should be striked out and fun should be in italics. Okay. Now we are going to insert a bulleted list. For that we have to open the font tag. Okay, open font tag. Font face equal to Times New Roman, size equal to 6 and color equal to yellow. That means the font face for the text should be Times New Roman and size size equal to 6 and color font color. That means the color of the text should be yellow. Now you have to use the UL pair of tags for creating a bulleted list. UL means unordered list. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. Okay, so open the UL tag. So within this UL pair of tags, we are listing out all the items that you want to include in the bulleted or unordered list. Okay, so for that we have to use LI pair of tags. LI means list item. Okay, so whatever items you want to include in the bulleted list, that you have to enter in between these LI pair of tags. So open the LI tag, then first item is basketball, close the tag. Next, movie making, you have to enter in between this LI pair of tag. Next item, pool, again enter in between LI pair of tag. Computers, you have to enter in between LI pair of tag. And the last item is volleyball, that also you have to enter in between LI pair of tag. So you have listed out all the items now. Now you have to close the unordered list tag, UL pair of tag. Okay. Now after that you have to close the font tag because you have opened here the font tag. So you have to close the font tag, then close the body tag and then close the HTML tag. So this is the Notepad program for creating a web page which has a bulleted list with pictures and text. Okay. Now I'll show you the practical. So children, for creating a web page, first of all you have to open the Notepad program. So type here to search for Notepad program. Okay, yes, you can see here. So open the Notepad program in your computer. Now you have to start typing the program. So I have created the Notepad program. Now we have to save this program in the extension of .html or .htm. So for that, go to file. Okay, save as. Now at the documents only you have to save. Give the file name as summercamp.html. Okay, so save. Okay, now you can see here. So the Notepad program is saved in the name of summercamp. Okay, now you have to connect your computer to internet, then go to documents. Now you can see your summer camp. we have saved this program in the extension of .html. So this is HTML document. So open this. You can see here now this is our web page. So the text we have aligned at the center. The text was Navdeep summer classes. Okay, and we have given it as bold and also in yellow color. You can see the text is at the center. It is in bold and yellow color. Then we have inserted image summercamp.jpg. This is the image that was also at the center of the web page. Okay, then next paragraph again at the center we have given the text no studies comma only fun, and the studies it is striked out and fun it is in italics. Okay, then we have created the bulleted list. It was in yellow color. We have given yellow color. Now you can see basketball, movie making, pool, computers, volleyball. So these are all the items. These are listed as bullets. Okay, so this was a program and this is the web page that we have created. So children, I hope you all understood the project. So you have to write the project work in your project notebook. Okay, make it neatly and beautiful and send to me. Thank you.